Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to BiteSizeMining, guys. We've really tried with the Zencash mining pool, but we just couldn't pull it out, guys. Just couldn't get enough hashing power for a sustained amount of time to really get us a block. But I want to let you guys know that we're not stopping. We are going to keep pushing forward and keep creating new pools. And right now we've got a poll up on the Bitcoin Pub mining site on the mining and hardware section under the HashIT mining pool, where we're trying to find out what's the next pool you guys would like us to create. Now, one of the things is that we're trying to create a pool that we know we can get enough hash power that we can be competitive. So we got two coins that we're really looking at today. The two that we're looking at are Bitcoin Private and Komodo Pool. The reason why we've chosen these two is, one, the reason why we chose Bitcoin Private was because Bitcoin Private is a brand new coin. It's forking. I think it actually forks probably by the time this video comes out, it will have had forked. The snapshot is on the 28th of February, and then the official fork is on the 2nd of March. So you guys will actually get this video a little bit before the fork happens. And we're hoping that if all the voting still goes the same, and we do put up a pool, we're hoping we'll get that pool up right in time for the official launch of the new coin, of the fork of Z Classic, which is merging kind of with a little bit of Bitcoin's technology in there. So we're hoping to get on the forefront of that one. We think if we can get an early pool out there, we may be able to get the early adoption, getting more people in outside of just the Bitcoin Pub members. And then the second one, Komodo, we're looking at it because it's got a very low network hash rate that we think we can definitely take advantage of by being able to put in a lot from the Bitcoin Pub. We know we can put in up to about 60,000 souls per second. So guys, that's a lot when you're looking at the Komodo pool. And it's not the highest up there on the what to mine, but I think it's a stepping stone for us, right? We can't start at the best. We can't start at Bitcoin. We can't start at Ethereum, but we can start somewhere and build that community. Build up those group of miners that are willing to switch and follow us to the next and better pool. Now, a lot of the problems we were having though with the Zencash pool in the beginning was people didn't know how to connect. So today I'm going to show you guys how to connect to the HashIT mining pool, the pool created for pub members. I'm going to show you how to use EWBF to connect to that pool, and then also this will help you guys. For any of you who maybe you don't want to mine this coin, maybe you want to mine another coin, but you want to use EWBF as your mining program, this will be a very helpful tool to show you guys exactly how to set it up and point your mining rig or even your gaming computer to a mining pool. So let's get started with it. I'm going to switch between desktop mode and this look right here, but hopefully the information isn't lost as I go through it all. So before we set everything up, remember that you need to have a wallet for each one of these coins that you're going to mine. So if you're going to mine Zencash, be sure you have a Zencash wallet. You can download it from the Zencash, or I think it's zensystem.io website. If you're going to do Z Classic, when Bitcoin Private comes out, you're going to need to get a Bitcoin Private wallet. Now you can either do the desktop wallet, or if there's an exchange, sometimes you can even use the exchange's wallet. I'm not going to give you a recommendation as far as using the exchange or using the desktop wallet. That's up to you, however you want to do that. So let's jump into this. EWBF, you can get it from the GitHub website. The link is up here. I'll also put it in the description down below. But all you've got to do, guys, is you just download it here. Click download. Download the zip file. Alright, I'm going to download the zip file. Alright, let me switch it over to desktop, and I'm not going to be in the video for this because you guys don't need to see my pretty face anymore. So, switch you over to here. So now, we have now downloaded the EWBF miner right here. we're going to unzip it, extract it, and I'll show you guys. When I extract everything, I extract it into one folder. So you see here I extracted it to EWBF miner, and this is all of what gets extracted except for the HashIT pool and the test. These are actually the batch files that I've created myself so that I can switch as fast as I want to. So you see I've already set up my Komodo mining batch file, and I set it up to another Komodo pool that I think I can maybe get started at least and get to know what the coin is and how fast the network is moving, right? But you've extracted it, you put it into your mining pool. Now if you have a like Windows Defender or any kind of antivirus software, guys, be sure that you put it into your system as an OK file so that it doesn't kill off all your mining tools. So now you've got everything extracted, you're seeing all the files here, and most of the time all you're going to end up with is this help text, and that's it. You're not going to get any indication about how you should set up your batch file. So I'm going to go through that here with you. What I do is I create a new notepad or text document. Alright, and let's just call this one, we'll call it HashIT mining, right? Or HashIT pool. Okay, and I'm going to put a number 1 because I already got one. And then what I do here, and notice I always have my extension unhidden. So for those of you who don't have it unhidden, you can hit view, and right here it says file name extension. You can click that, it'll unhide your file name extensions. So you're going to go in here, rename it. Instead of it being .txt, you guys are going to name it .bat, which stands for batch. So now we've created a batch file. You can now right click it, edit, and it's going to bring up the notepad. Now for this program, for EWBF, the first thing you're going to put in is miner. What that's going to do is that's going to execute the miner executable file here. So that's the first thing it's going to do. Then you're going to want to put in 2 dashes, server, and you're going to want to put in the server address. Now remember, we're going to use the example of the HashIT mining pool. So we go to HashIT mining pool, get started, Zen, and we're going to come here, and this is the server address you're going to use. Now this is for a single GPU. This is for, I would say, 1 rig, and this is if you're going to be using multiple rigs with the same mining address. And those are just the ports though. All of the URLs are going to be the same. So we're going to copy the URL. We're going to go back into the batch file, and we're going to paste the URL in. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to type in 2 more dashes, user. We're going to put in our wallet. So for this example, I'm just going to put in Zencash wallet. You guys will actually put your wallet address in there. And for the Zencash, you're going to want to use your T address. So there's 2 addresses for Zencash. There's the T address and the Z address. You're going to want to use the T address for this. And then you're also going to have to enter in the rig name. And for those of you who are on the Bitcoin Pub, we ask that you, if you're going to mine on our pool, go ahead and put your rig name as your screen name on the Bitcoin Pub. That way we know who to thank when you're participating. After that, you're going to do another 2 dashes, and you're going to type in the word pass. So the password for ours, there is no password, but the placeholder is an X. So go ahead and place X. And the last is port. On there, you're going to put the port address for, again, single miners is 3031. For anyone who's got maybe 1 mining rig, you're going to do 3032. And if you got multiple rigs, 3033. So this one, we're going to do 3031. Click save, and boom, you are done. The next thing you would do would be to double click it, and it's going to start hashing away. It's going to connect to the network, and it's going to start hashing away. Now we'll just double check the one that I've already created, make sure I got everything correct. There it is. Everything is correct. I got my miner, server, the port, or the server address, username, my Zcash, there's my Zencash wallet address, my username on the Bitcoin pub, password to the site, and the port. That's it, guys. That's as hard as it is to connect to the Bitcoin pub's mining pool. I hope all of this was helpful for you guys. I really hope that I can see all of you guys on the Bitcoin pub one day, hopefully very, very soon. And again, guys, don't forget, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and remember to keep on mining.